everyone, welcome to Try No Code. Hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the Docmaker. So, what is Docmaker? Docmaker is a simple tool or software for creating documents, or just a general term for document making tool. I'll show you how it will work. So, first of all, you have to create an account for over the Docmaker here. So after the create an account, so it will redirect to the dashboard over here. So uh, in this dashboard sidebar, you can see the API key. So hit the API key, and you will redirect to the auto generated API key. Yeah, so copy the API key here, and in the bubble application, just we have Docmaker app plugin. So you have to install that plugin, Docmaker. So this is the Docmaker plugin. Install it, and you have to paste the API key here. So I have just created a form that includes company name, company short name, company address, and date. So first, after that, you have to create an template for uploading Docmaker. So I have just created a Docmaker template regarding agreement. Pass these inputs value in the Docmaker template dynamically. So these all are we need to create a parameters in the template. So all the parameters should be in curly braces. So date is in curly braces, company name, company address, company short name. Save this template, Control S, and need to upload this template over here. Templates, go to the templates, add new docs file, enter the name of the template, and template ID will be auto generated. Upload the file over here, Docmaker, upload it, save changes. So template has been uploaded successfully. You can open it and see the preview page. So this is the agreement template. So this is the template ID, template URL, and all the parameter will be visible in the view tag. This is the parameters. So just go to the form page, bubble page, create a workflow, edit workflow, create a PDF from docs template. Output file will be PDF, and website home URL, website home URL, output file, new company file, whatever you can add the company file, output file name dynamically, company dot, and add, most important thing, you have to add the extension here, dot PDF. So for example, if I can say company short name, input short name, key value, and the template ID, add the template ID here, copy the template ID, So in the JSON data you have to copy this parameters and add it to in the and we have to pass the value that company name key value input company address key value and this is it. So these are all the mandatory fields to you can add this template in our database or table. Just create a new thing and result of step 1 output file. Yes. So let's test this. Dell Techno Limited, company short name Dell, company address New Delhi, and the date 26 November. Let's hit this button. Yeah, so PDF has been generated. Let's test in the table in the database. So yeah, see the file has been generated. See this file show in the PDF format. See date has been fetched properly, 26 November 2024, and the company name and company short name and New Delhi. So this is how it is work. Hope you are all enjoyed this in this video, and you can raise a query in comment section. And yes, don't forget like, subscribe. Thank you.